We're at 99 Esgore Drive in the heart of Toronto's Cricket Club community. The Toronto Cricket Club community is a highly sought after neighbourhood. Its proximity to wonderful shops on Yonge Street, restaurants, as well as Avenue Road, close proximity to the Toronto Transit, great local public and private schools in the neighbourhood. So the home was custom built for an NHL player roughly around 10 years ago. It has 5+ bedrooms, so 5 on the upper floor, 2 in the lower level, and it has 5 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms was not being utilized as a bedroom, and they turned it into a dressing room. So it's a spectacular, large walk-in dressing room. Its exquisite center hall plan allows for maximum utilization of home living space. What makes it so unique is the lot size is one of the biggest in the neighborhood as well. It has a great spacious, entertaining backyard. You would never know that you're actually in the heart of the city. 99 Esgore was on the market for approximately 131 days. We had roughly 30 clients walk through. The home was offered at $4.7 million and sold for $4.3 million.